Quiet. Wrong place it. Yeah. Scrolling late into the night, chasing dreams in neon light. Everybody looks like they've arrived, but inside we don't feel alive. Social media shows a perfect face, but hides the pain, the empty space. Young and old, we all can fall when likes become our master call. We trade our peace for popularity, our purpose for applause, forgetting real success is built on stronger loves. I've been searching for happiness in the wrong places, wrong desire, trying to climb too fast. I got burned in the fire. Social media promises everything, but it can break your name. True dreams are built with patience, not shortcuts, not shame. Me been panny mama mass, long place no good, long road no good. Me run quick to mass, now me kissing bag a rap through. Social media me savegi a man too. Hey, me pull him you long night. True success and me stop. Long passing straight, long time. Yeah, in business hearts can drift away when money leads the mind astray. Cutting corners, breaking trust, thinking fast is worth the cost. Managers, leaders, hear this call. Ethics is the strongest wall. A title doesn't make you right. Integrity shines in darkest night. What you build with lies will fall. Time will always tell it all. True success is clean and fair, not abusing power there. I've been searching for happiness in the wrong places, wrong desires, trying to climb too fast. You get burned in the fire. Social media can trap the heart and tear your dreams apart. True success is character, done the trending chart. Listen up. I am Pella. Every smell a phone, me no save man. You think like some love, no good. Gia man. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram fame. Today you on top. Tomorrow you same. You post one Pella something. Let me stop on time. Behind boss by looking. You lose him job long time. Social media, me trap, me pull him. You go down. Okay, Salim, so belong you long. This Pella online crown. Stop strong, stop wild. Dribble on your real life. No long screen time, so you must walk in with discipline. Slow down, breathe. Not everything online is gold. Some roads are wide, but they leave your spirit cold. The dream is not worth losing yourself. The goal is not worth losing your soul. Real success is honesty, letting morals take control. Now I'm searching for happiness in the right places with clean hands, building my life with truth, following your plans. Tazzle, Emmy no boss belong you. True success, Emmy stop long passing straight. Now strong Pella spirit too. Passing straight, passing straight. No can kiss him road, son. No can kiss him road. Social media, me no God. Social media can trap the heart. Integrity and success. Integrity and success. Success say me come up long discipline. Success say me come up long discipline. Success say me no come up long hard walk. Long passing straight. Long through Pella passing the road straight. Good Pella life by come up. Amen.